Here we have a 2023 Toyota Tacoma SR5 4x4. Comes with a 3.5-liter V6 engine, automatic transmission in a black color. Let's take a look inside. Coming inside, have a nice armrest, power locks, windows and mirrors, gray cloth upholstery all throughout, power driver lumbar support, got your running boards, left-hand side have your traction control buttons, cargo light, auto headlights. Left side got an air vent as well, got your radio, Bluetooth controls, auto headlights, fog lights, adaptive cruise control functions, rain wiper controls, digital speedometer, got your distance till empty, take average fuel economy, time until rest, tire pressures, pre-collision system, lane departure assist, rear seat reminder, got your settings here, pop-up display as well. Coming here we have our audio, go to our source list, we got AM, FM, Sirius XM, USB and Bluetooth. Your phone, if you want to connect your phone via Bluetooth, do so via this screen. Your apps, projection settings, setup pages here like your customize your home screen, projection settings for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. All your settings in here, your Bluetooth, audio, volume tuner, rocker, hazard lights, heated seats to the driver and passenger, dual zone climate control function, start stop button, 4 high, 2-wheel drive, 4 low, heated mirrors, you got USB input, 12 volt, your ECT power, 2 cup holders, a backup camera, manual park brake, center console with USB, USB-C inputs, interior lighting options, sunglass holder, SOS button, and a rear view mirror. Let's go take a look outside. Here at the front, you got your headlights, black and chrome finish grille, engine block heater input, got your alloy rims, paint matching door handles and mirrors, rear tinted windows, SR5 badge, tail lights, trailer tow package, 4x4 and V6 badges. Let's open up the trunk. Let's go take a look at those back seats. Some of the back seats have a nice armrest, power windows, all-weather mats, tons of legroom and headroom, that same cloth upholsteries we have in the front. Cup holders there as well. That'll wrap it up for this 2023 Toyota Tacoma SR5 4x4 in a black color. If you have any questions or want to book a test drive, please visit us at parkmazda.ca.